In this video in our series of audience-specific marketing for med device and med tech companies, we're going to talk about how to inform your marketing strategy on your website towards the healthcare professionals that you are trying to attract interest from and educate about your solution. This is obviously quite different than the priorities of when you're marketing directly to patients. Of course, we want to share the outcomes and the specific benefits that the product or solution has for a patient, but the way that medical professionals interact with the content on your website is very different than how a patient will. And I want to shoot a video to illustrate the difference and help educate how to approach this to generate interest from healthcare professionals as quickly as possible on the web. First and foremost, what we have seen across the board is the faster you can provide clinical benefits and especially data, the better. Typically, when a healthcare professional comes to your site, that's the first thing that they want to see is the data behind how your device or solution improves patient outcomes. The faster we can get this in front of them, the better. This can be anything from a simple study about how your solution or device compares to another, all the way up to specific calculators showing outcomes, things of that nature. Really, the core message is the faster we can get data in front of them, the better in any form. The second point that I want to discuss is just to create a collection of medical resources, specific information about what you offer, and make it easily accessible. It's becoming the industry standard that most med device, most med tech companies have some collection of medical resources on their site. What we want to make sure does not happen is we have all of that great information and medical professionals are not able to easily access it. So creating a doorway in the medical professionals section of your site to get into that information as quickly as possible is really going to improve how they're interacting with your content. The third piece is to leverage any other physician or healthcare professional testimonials and embed and include them in the section where we feel that providers are going to be going to get information. Obviously, we all know the power of testimonials on the web, but I would encourage you, if you have physician-specific testimonials or healthcare professional testimonials, let's get those out in front on the section of the site where healthcare professionals are going. And the fourth and final point is, obviously, when we're dealing with physicians, healthcare professionals, we want to be educating and informing, but I would encourage you, and this is going to become kind of a theme in these videos, don't forget a call to action. You know, it can be very easy to inform but not provide a next step. What we want to be doing is informing, but if a physician wants to reach out about more information, we want to make that path very clear. So I'm hoping this illustrates how this approach is different from your direct-to-patient marketing, but obviously from a lead generation standpoint, it can be similar. We're trying to generate interest, inform, and then have somebody reach out. That applies to both patients and when you're marketing to healthcare professionals.